All right, hey friends, in this video we are going to be resetting the Samsung Galaxy S5 to its factory default settings. Now this is a very simple process and we're going to walk through it right now. All right, now remember, when you do this, all of your data and settings are going to be reset again to factory default settings. You're going to lose all of your data. So make sure that you do a backup if you have contacts or things like that that you want to save. Again, this is a fairly old phone at this point. It is in factory mode right now, which is why it's going to look slightly different maybe than what you're seeing on your current phone if you've been doing all of your software updates. So with that in mind, let's go ahead and do a factory reboot here. So I'm just going to go to apps and then you're going to go to settings. Now, once you're in the settings mode, you're actually just going to scroll down to the users section, which is right here, user and backup. And then there's a little backup and reset option. I'm going to click on that. And then you're going to scroll down to the bottom and you're going to see a factory data reset option. I'm going to go ahead and click on that. Now again, there's going to be a quick notice that's letting you know, hey, all of this data is going to be erased. So again, be sure that this is something you want to do and get rid of your data. I'm going to go ahead and click reset device. Again, it's asking you, hey, you sure you want to do this? It can't be recovered. And I'm going to say, yep, I want to delete all. At this point, it's going to shut down and go through the reboot process. And again, this is going to be really quick for me because I don't have any specific data. If you do have data on this phone and a bunch of data, then this can take a little bit just to reboot everything. So I hope that's helped, friends. Again, let this walk through the reboot process. And when it's done, you should have a fresh phone ready for setup or to sell. Hey, if this has helped, would you guys hit that thumbs up button for me? It lets us know that we're making good videos for you guys. And then think about hitting that subscribe button as well. We got a bunch more tech tutorial videos that are coming up real soon. Thanks so much for watching.